and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I have 3 paintings to share with you today. I'm going to start with the Diddy one, or the smaller one. This one is a partial special diamond painting. These are nice, fun projects. Sometimes can be done in an evening, sometimes take a couple, but you tend to find that key aspects of the painting have diamonds on. So in this case, we have diamonds on the butterflies, apart from the tiny ones. Then we have it around the heart, on the flowers, some of the stems. It looks very similar to coral. Then we have a little bit of detail here, but then the likes of the water and the sky, you don't put any diamonds on. And then we have a bit more at the bottom and a few little pearls at the bottom. And your adhesive is just on the bits that you stick your diamond on, and it's not on these bits. So rather fun to do. So this has a toolkit. Basic toolkit. It has 8 different rhinestones. It's a 30 by 40, but the actual design area is 25 by 35. And there is a couple, or maybe one, different shaped diamond. There's one different style diamond by the looks of it. So we have some clear diamonds. Then we have blue, gorgeous coral pink, a pale pink, a brown and a blue. And then we have some teardrop pink diamonds that appear on these flowers. So they're the little petals. And then we have some round diamonds. They're a little bit bigger than your average diamond. They don't have any sort of coating on, but they are quite shiny, though of course not as shiny as the likes of the rhinestones themselves. So that is painting number 1. If I can get the diamonds back where they belong. I never can quite get them folded up the same way. Sometimes they go really easy, sometimes they don't. So that's number 1. Number 2 is a full drill diamond painting. I'm trying to find the opening. This one is a 35 by 35. Oh, it actually comes with little packets, and it looks like we do have a little bit of an explosion. One of the packets is escaping, so we'll pop those there. And I'll find them their little home in a minute. But it is this gorgeous coloured zebra. The actual diamond painting area for this is 29 centimetres by 29 centimetres. So that's the size it works out at. It has 22 different colours, and they do have DMC numbers. But look at the colour in that zebra. Amazing. These are, say, little packets of diamonds. I'm not going to open them all because we will have an explosion. It doesn't look like a full packet, but it does look like there's a few. But there is some absolutely gorgeous colours in there with those yellows, pinks, greens, reds, blues, purple. We've got some pale blue. There is a little bit of 310 in this one, but not a lot. I'm trying to find the opening so I can see if I can trap these few diamonds in with the rest. I'm just going to trap them on the adhesive for now. So yeah, that is number 2. Isn't it? He's really cute. There's not that much either, 310. There's a little bit on his stripes, but a lot of it is actually 939, including in his eyes. So that'll give you some really nice shading. And then last, but by no means least, we have number 3. This is a bigger one. This is a 40 by 40. So again, another square. This one comes in baggies, which is better, but you do get the same toolkit. The actual diamond painting area for this one is 35 by 35. So you do have a 2.5 centimetre border all the way around. But I just thought that was a beautiful shop front. Just, is that a florist maybe? If not, they definitely like their flowers. It may be a restaurant. But it has 23 different colours. It does come with DMC numbers. As the other one, they do use white symbols on dark colours and black symbols on light colours. They're all the alphabet actually, both of them are. They're all the alphabet, so that's nice and easy, but I love the way these flowers show up. It is a round and you get all these beautiful colours. Gorgeous pink. All those greens are really nice, and that pink will really pop when it's in the flowers surrounded by some of these greens. And then we have another green, some white, oh, and some pretty yellow on this side as well. I'm guessing that makes up quite a lot of the shop signage. There's not a lot of blocking in this one at all. I mean, really, there's not a lot in the other. Even the background, there is some blocking on the zebra, so there is some block work here, but there's a couple of different colours that come into this one. And in this one, I wouldn't say there's a lot of blocking at all. There is quite a bit where you will be using the same colour, but it's scattered about your section. But yeah, I just think it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. That's why I chose it. So I will pop direct links, of course, to each of these paintings down below. Feel free to click on each one if you fancy adding them to your basket, or of course just go and have a browse and see what it is that you like. There is thousands and thousands of images out there to try, but thank you to Fansells for sending me these, and thank you so much to you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.